Here's a 2017 Buick Encore. Flexibility has never been more perfectly sized than with this stylish, nimble, and luxurious Encore. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, leather metal look steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.